Hey y'all, Bear here. You know what? Bears do get hungry in the rain. That's right, it's raining, it's pouring, the lighting is awful, but we're gonna try to do this anyway because it's Tuesday and I'm hungry, it's dinner time. Now, if you follow me on Facebook, I think last week or week before, I posted a photo of an experimental dinner I did at home, and I tried out making some chicken Alfredo, really simple for the trail, with ingredients that you could carry on the trail, no big deal, easy peasy. And that's what we're going to do today. So I have the Knorr pasta sides chicken Alfredo, and we're going to cook it up in my cheap Ozark Trail cook set with one of the Star-Kissed chicken packets. And I'm going to season it up with some parsley and some pepper. So I'm going to admit the margarine and milk that this calls for. That's right, we're going to leave it out, not use it, and it's going to come out just fine. Now, an alternative to these, if I was at home packing this up, is you could take this, put it in a clear Ziploc baggie, a sandwich baggie, and add your seasonings to it, whatever you want, and it would be ready to go. Or as an alternative, you could just take this and get some seasonings from your pizza shop when you order pizza, and just ask for some extra. They'll give them to you, you're buying pizza from them. And you can season it up like that way it can. You're going to want to take this, the chicken in its pack, so you have whatever you carry your noodles in and this pack to carry out. But let's cook. It's getting dark. You know the deal. We need fire. However you want to do this at camp. There we go. We need 2 cups of water. Ooh, don't spill your water, Bear. And we just start adding everything in there. You don't have to wait for it to come to a boil. I'm gonna go right in with the with my Knorr side. And hopefully this isn't gonna overflow my pot. It did not. Yay! I wasn't sure about that when I set out to do this. Well, I don't have much head space though. We'll go ahead and add a nice tablespoon of parsley. Get in there. A few cranks on the black pepper. And I'm going to come back and add the chicken after we've started boiling for a couple minutes. Oh, there we go. Simmer action on, y'all. Let's cut the heat way back. I think I'm going to let it boil for about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Let the volume reduce a little bit, and then we'll add in the chicken. Alright, we've been simmering away for 6 minutes. I'm going to put my chicken in, let it simmer for 2 more minutes, and then we're going to cut it off and let it sit. And it'll thicken up on its own as it sits for a few minutes. Oh, it just went dark on us, y'all. Let's get the chicken in so it can get hot. Give it a good mix. Woohoo! Can y'all still see? Oh yeah, she's starting to thicken up just while I was putting the chicken in. Alright, I'm going off with the heat. And we're going to let it hang out just a minute. So it's starting to thicken up. Just going to let it sit for about 2 minutes. Alright, you see how that's starting to thicken up? And you know, if you cook it low and slow and you're getting in there and stirring it, I've got a couple little noodles that are stuck to the bottom, but not much. It's going to be a pretty easy cleanup. Gotta put it in the bowl. Ooh, the clouds are receding back a hair. Come on now. Let's see here. Let's give this guy a taste. Let's see what I've done. You want a bite? It's gonna be good. Heck yeah. I am so tickled that that works with no milk. No powdered milk, no dairy creamer. That's what I was going to try when I first bought this. And after it sat in my cabinet for a year and I never got around to it, I said, I'm just going to cook it with water and see what happens. Total success. And now we even got chicken packets to put in it. Well, look here. We'll see you on the trail. I bought some other Knorr sides that are supposed to take milk and oil and butter and whatnot to try out with just water and see what happens. So if you want to see those results, let me know down in the comments and I'll film it and see what we get. That's right, we got the Parmesan noodles, the creamy garlic shells, I don't know what else. I bought 3 or 4 of them.